So it is going to come with everything that you need. Give me a moment to slide the top off. Here is the unit itself. We've got, it's like this beautiful, like light pink kind of rosy color, which is great. This is the diffuser, so if you're looking to boost your curls, you're gonna use this diffuser. We've got the traditional air concentrator, and this is going to concentrate the airflow to give you like a more smooth shaped and kind of just perfect that blowout. You'll use this in conjunction with like your round brush.